Bitcoin has shown something incredible. This indication might mean Bitcoin's about to take off. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is DaVinci Jeremy. I'm 5x5 here in the UAE in Russell Cayman. That's it. That's the name. And yeah, I'm here for the financial summit with the Tone Bays and going to be here until Friday. So we're going to be doing the videos here until Friday. So a lot of technical difficulties, but I managed to get this video out for you guys. So I'm glad to be here. All right. So with that said, let's get into the news and do some TA. And we're going to start off. If you're interested in doing some trading, right, you might want to do some trading here at bybit.davincij15.com. Links are in the description below, and they're giving away lots of bonuses. So open up an account today, and you could gain some of those bonuses. Before I get on to like the main news, I want to talk about this hacker pinching nearly $1 million in crypto via fake ledger app in the Microsoft Store. I saw the same thing in the Apple Store. I downloaded it, and then once it asked me for my keys, I was like, yeah, okay. You think I'm like born yesterday? Please, if you have a hardware wallet, any hardware wallet, never let the private keys go. Never enter in your seed phrase. Never enter your 24-word seed phrase to anywhere. It only goes once you buy a new device from the Ledger Store onto that Ledger device, your seed phrase. And that's the only time you use it for. That's it, period. Any other time, you're going to lose money, 100%. So do not fall for those traps. And that's what they did in this app store, this application. The only way for it to steal your money is to basically ask you for your seed phrase. And you probably gave it to them. All right, another scam alert that finally these people got caught. The SEC says SafeMoon executives withdrew $200 million from a crypto project to spend on McLarens and luxury homes. Yes. Well, I knew this SafeMoon was a scam. SafeMoon, I talked about it so many times during the last bull run on my TikTok, and I remember getting a lot of flack for that. A lot of flack, saying it's a scam. SafeMoon's is a Ponzi scheme. Don't get into it. And you know, you didn't listen. You didn't listen. And you had to pay, right? So that's just the way it is. You know, it was a clear scam. It was a clear Ponzi scheme. Don't fall for these things, please. It's obvious when people promise you great returns. Start smelling that something is off. Okay. Major bullish sign for Bitcoin spotted by top analysts, right? Yes, 700 new BTC addresses were added to the network just in one day. This is huge because this could suggest that you know, somebody's creating these addresses to, you know, put their Bitcoins, to hide their Bitcoins. And the only way these addresses, right, they're like accounts to be visible on the network. Because you could create addresses all day long, right? But if you don't put any money there, nobody knows you're using it, right? So the fact that this Glassnode is able to see these, the only way they're able to see this is somebody actually put money there. And so either somebody's messing around and putting a lot of money, Bitcoin, which is they're feeding the what's it called? The miners a lot of money, which is just dumb. Or this means that there's actual people opening up accounts and transferring Bitcoin there. And that's a lot of people opening up accounts. So let's take a look at the charts and see what's going on. If you're interested in trading, remember, you could also trade it not only at bybit.davincij15.com, but also 2bit.davincij15.com. Links are in the description below. Looking at Bitcoin, we got rejected twice from this resistance point. We're just hammering it, trying to get through. It's a good thing that we're hammering it, and then like Ethereum, which is would have been looked like it was hammering the support. right? Once it breaks through, it becomes resistance. Pre-resistance becomes support. So we're still waiting for this thing to turn into support, and it hasn't done so. But with the Bollinger Band squeezing on the 4 hour, that means there's a big move coming. Is it going up? Is it going down? Bollinger Bands do not give you that information. Only other indicators do. But there is a big move coming. That's all that Bollinger Bands will provide you. So with that said, you can see that Bitcoin has created kind of like a little bit of M's, but you don't want to trust these things during the bull market, bull phase, right? So this is a bullish situation here. Can we see this dump all the way down to the 34 again, 34,000? Probably. Couldn't see it even come all the way down to the 32, but even if it does, it's just going to bounce back up and take off. But I'm willing to say that that's not going to happen, because if we look at Ethereum, I was telling you yesterday that if Ethereum breaks down and tests the support too much, it could break it, right? And opposed to if you test the resistance too much, well, the same thing applies. You can break it. And so we've tested the resistance a lot here, as you can see. And there's a good chance that Bitcoin going to break out, and a good chance that Ethereum is going to hold the line and rise again. So look out for a big move in both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Whether they dump and then move, it doesn't really matter. They are moving higher in the medium term. So that's what I would suggest you look for opportunities to get into a long and ride this train. If you don't have any Bitcoin, you don't have any Ethereum, and you shouldn't go leverage trading. You should probably buy some Bitcoin, buy some Ethereum, because this market is definitely going higher, and you might as well join in with all the fun before the institutions have all the fun, because they've already bought. They bought a long time ago under 30K. I don't know why you didn't, but you didn't. And hey, you need to buy some now, because this is where it's at. Bitcoin is going higher. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers.